Do you believe the Earth is flat?
I know the Earth is flat.
Seriously?
Astrology and flat Earth or true Earth are symbiotic. You cannot have one without the other. If you have a ball and you are spinning, flying through space, chasing this fireball, your constellations would change every now and then. And our constellations have never changed. The stars have never changed. We have the same 12 zodiac signs that we had back in the Dendera stones in Egypt over 5,000 years ago. We're not moving. Every single ancient society knew this. The Mayans, the Aztecs, the Hindus, the Egyptians, every single ancient culture knew that we live in a geocentric universe, not a heliocentric where we are spinning, chasing this ball of fire while all of these other planets are rotating around us, while all of these other stars are rotating around us. If that was the case, Polaris would move, number one, which is the North Star, and it doesn't. Number two, all of the constellations would not rotate solely around Polaris, but they do. Therefore, we are the center of the universe.
While the position of the North Star changes because of precession, which the Earth kind of makes a small little orbit or rotation around its axis. In the past, the star Thubian in the constellation Draco was the pole star, and it does change from time to time. Also, the Earth, the Sun, and the Earth and the solar system goes around the center of the galaxy. It takes about 225 million years. And all the stars that we see at night are within about 6,000 light years, and they travel around the sun as well. Plus, they also have what is called proper motion and radial motion. Proper motion is the change in position compared to the background of the stars, and radial motion is like the back and forth movement of the star. So they do have that motion, and it's measured by astronomers all the time. Also, constellations do change. But it's also a relatively small time, about 5,000 years. It takes about 25,000 years for precession alone, plus the orbit around the center of the galaxy. So we've only gone around a small portion of the center of the galaxy. Also, at once in a while, there's what they call a nova, which is a new star. The image above is the Crab Nebula, which was from a supernova that happened about 1,000 years ago in 1054, which was recorded by the Chinese and Japanese. This image was not taken by NASA. This image was taken by myself about 20 years ago at a telescope at the St. Mary's University called the Burke-Gaffney Observatory. And this was like a 14-inch telescope. So I took it, I saw it myself, so yes, I've seen it. Plus, you notice all the little dots in the background; those are stars, and they do appear to have a bit of a smear, and those are tracking because of the rotation of the Earth. So also, astrology is not real, so using astrology to back up the flat Earth is kind of silly. But this is a relatively quick one. But have a good day. Bye.